The Hua Hin dried fish market is a vibrant and authentic local market that showcases Thailand as traditional seafood culture. Located near the coastal areas of Hua Hin, this market is famous for its wide variety of sun-dried fish, squid, shrimp, and seafood snacks, prepared using age-old preservation methods passed down through generations. As you walk through the market, you'll see rows of stalls displaying golden dried mackerel, anchovies, squid sheets, prawns, and fish fillets carefully laid out under the sun. The air is filled with the distinct salty aroma of the sea, reflecting Hua Hin's long history as a fishing town. The visual spectacle alone is worth the visit, with shimmering silver-skinned fish arranged in neat, overlapping patterns, creating a mosaic of textures and colors under the tropical sun. It is a place where the rhythm of the tides and the diligence of human hands come together, creating an atmosphere that feels both timeless and deeply rooted in the local community. The sounds of the market are just as captivating as the sights. You'll hear the gentle chatter of vendors, the rustle of plastic bags being filled with dried treasures, and the distant cries of seagulls, all contributing to a rich sensory tapestry that defines this unique coastal destination. This market isn't just a place to buy and sell goods. It is a living museum, a testament to the enduring relationship between the people of Hua Hin and the bountiful Gulf of Thailand, offering a glimpse into a way of life that has sustained generations. Local vendors, many of whom are fishermen's families, sell freshly dried seafood sourced directly from the Gulf of Thailand. Buyers can watch the drying process, ask for samples, and choose from different grades depending on taste and cooking needs. Prices are generally affordable, and bargaining is common. The market is popular with locals, restaurant owners, and tourists, especially those looking for authentic Thai ingredients or edible souvenirs. Dried seafood from Hua Hin is often used in Thai curries, stir-fries, soups, and street food dishes. The direct connection from the sea to the stall is palpable, as many families operate their entire business within a few hundred meters of the shore where the boats come in. This close-knit community of artisans takes immense pride in their craft, and their expertise is evident in the quality of the products. You can observe the meticulous care taken at every stage, from the initial cleaning and salting of the fresh catch to the precise arrangement on bamboo racks for optimal sun exposure. The vendors are often eager to share their knowledge, explaining the differences between various types of dried squid or recommending the best fish for making a traditional spicy salad. This interaction transforms a simple shopping trip into an educational and engaging experience, allowing visitors to connect with the food on a much deeper level. For culinary enthusiasts, the market is a treasure trove of possibilities. The intense, umami-rich flavors of the dried seafood can elevate any dish, providing a depth that is characteristic of authentic Thai coastal cuisine. Chefs from acclaimed local restaurants are often seen here in the early mornings, hand-selecting the finest products for their daily specials, a clear endorsement of the market's quality. Tourists find it to be the perfect place to purchase unique and lightweight gifts that carry the true flavor of Thailand back home. From vacuum-sealed bags of crispy fish snacks to whole dried mackerel ready for the grill. Beyond shopping, the market offers a genuine cultural experience showing daily coastal life, traditional food preservation, and the close connection between the sea and Thai cuisine. Visiting in the morning provides the best atmosphere, with fresh catches being processed and the market at its liveliest. It is during these early hours that you can truly appreciate the industrious spirit of the community. You'll witness firsthand the transformation of glistening, freshly caught fish into a preserved staple, a process honed over centuries to ensure no part of the ocean's bounty goes to waste. The sun-drying technique is more than just a method of preservation. It is a cultural ritual, a sustainable practice that harnesses the power of nature. Watching the vendors skillfully flip and turn the seafood under the morning sun offers a profound insight into the resourcefulness and wisdom of coastal communities. The market serves as a social hub where neighbors catch up, recipes are exchanged, and the day's news is shared over the rhythmic work of preparing the seafood. This communal atmosphere is infectious, inviting visitors to slow down and immerse themselves in the local pace of life. It's an opportunity to observe the intricate web of relationships that bind the fishermen, the processors, and the consumers, all linked by their shared reliance on the sea. For those seeking to understand the heart and soul of Hua Hin beyond its popular beaches and resorts, a morning spent at the dried fish market is an indispensable